Lions Club International District 322F presents the Lions Talk Show, an initiative taken by Lions Club of Blazing Aces, supported by Dream Studio, concept by MJF Lion, Arhant Rakhecha.
Hello viewers, I hope you all are taking good care of yourself in this COVID time. We are back with another exciting episode of the Lions Talk Show. Today we have with us Lion Hemant Kumar Agarwalji. He has been associated with the Lions International since 1997. Over the last 23 years, he has held as many as 7 different posts in our district. He has served as his club president, the then zone chairperson, followed by cabinet treasurer and secretary. Currently, he is the district vice coordinator. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, Govindji, and thank you very much for inviting me to this Lions Talk Show.
Yeah.
I would like to congratulate the team Blazing SS and you for organizing such a unique event. And I feel privileged that I'm a part of this great show where many stalwarts of our district Chittoor has already blazed your show with their addresses and presence. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Which post has been the most challenging so far for you in the district?
Govindji, I feel that every post is a challenging if one gets into it to execute.
Yeah.
But so far as most challenging is concerned, I feel for me it was the cabinet secretary.
Okay.
Because this is the post which is next to the district governor. And I think every district governor relies on his or her cabinet secretary.
Gee.
I remember those days when I was the cabinet secretary. At that time, the notices and meetings and circulars were issued in hard copies,
Okay.
not in soft copies over the mail. So we used to sit with the printer 3-4 days prior to the meeting, along with the district governor, then Vinodji. And we used to prepare a booklet containing the agenda, the minutes of the previous meeting,
Gee.
the club's performance, their achievements, and their dues position, and many more things. And I have copies of all those 5 booklets with my in my record.
Gee.
So that was the very hectic task for every cabinet secretary, and cabinet secretary is also supposed to accompany the district governor at the club visits.
Yes.
So I've accompanied at the then district governor Lion Vinodji in few of the clubs, and I used to update the district governor about the club's records, club's membership position, club's dues before he visits any club.
Yes.
So that was the 365 days job
Yes.
in the cabinet secretary,
Gee.
and to attend the meetings, to organize the things. And one more thing that was challenging for me, and that was good for me personally, that during those time as a cabinet secretary, I got the chance and opportunity to interact and to get in touch with the clubs across the district Chittoor. Clubs, their office bearers, their members, during their meetings, during their programs, over the phones if they have any query. So they used to contact me as a cabinet secretary. So at that time it was a very learning experience for me, and it was very inspiring. And at that time also used to work under pressure to become little more multitasking, I could say.
Yes.
So that helped me a lot in my profession, in my business,
Yes.
in my profession, in my family. So it was a very challenging, and I think in all my posts, the cabinet secretary was very challenging for me.
You have held the post of LCF district vice coordinator twice, and you were also the district coordinator last year. Most of the line members are not much acquainted with the LCIF and its role. Kindly enlighten us on the same.
Yes. Govindji, it's a very good question. Rather, I feel that it's an opportunity for me as a LCIF district vice coordinator under the leadership of Savanji as the district coordinator and Abhijit Da as the district governor. On behalf of the district 322F to highlight about the LCIF
जी
and its ongoing campaign 100. And as you have rightly said, that most of our Lion members are not aware of even LCIF
जी
and its campaign 100. So LCIF, it is a financial arm of our organization LCI.
जी
LCI was born in the year 1970,
okay
but the need of a separate financial arm LCIF, because LCIF is Lions Clubs International Foundation. It is our foundation.
जी
It is the financial arm of our organization.
जी
Its need arose after a gap of 50 years in the year 1968.
okay
So it was formed in the year 1968 after the 50 years of formation of our LCI.
जी
So at that time, our organization thought of having a separate organization, a separate foundation, which will look after the financial needs of our organization.
जी
LCIF basically collects funds
yes
from the members, from the clubs, from the district, from the corporates, from the various other NGOs,
जी
and disperse it to the clubs and the district for their service activities.
okay
The basic part of the LCI.
only for service activity
Yeah, only for the service activity. Because our motto of LCI is We Shall.
yes
And in service activities, particularly the funds
जी
comes for the permanent projects.
permanent project
Like hospitals, including eye hospitals,
yes
eye banks, blood banks, diagnostic centers, schools, old age homes, and many more. And besides the funding the permanent projects, LCIF also does funding for during emergencies, like in the natural calamities, earthquake, flood. You may have seen that this year also and in the past years, our district T2F has got emergency grants
okay
on a notice of around 24 hours.
okay
We just give a mail, say today,
yeah
and our LCIF grants the emergency fund immediately within 24 hours for
That is
providing relief
that
to
is
the victims of the natural calamity.
that is in a very short
In a
period
very
of
short
time.
time.
24 hours just
Yes, it is much prior to the government funds reaches to the site.
yes
So this is about the LCIF, and so far as one more thing I would like to tell the viewers
Yes.
that campaign 100, this is the most buzzword of today because it was launched in the year 1918-19
okay
during 2018-19.
okay
We are in the third year of the campaign, and because of the pandemic, this campaign has been extended for one more year.
okay
This is a capital fundraising program of LCI.
जी
Capital fundraising, and its target is to raise 300 million US dollars.
okay
It's around, I think, 2,100 crores of rupees
जी
in a span of 3 years,
Three.
and it is extended beyond because of the pandemic. So it is now for 4 years. We are in the third year of this campaign 100. Under this campaign 100, our district 322F has contributed very nicely right from the 18-19 as well as the 17-18 under the leadership of Kedarji, then 18-19 Savanji, then 19-20 Sanjayji, and during the current year also we are going to contribute around 1 lakh US dollars
okay
by the end of this year. So this is all about the LCIF and campaign 100, and being a LCIF district vice coordinator, I will request the viewers who are the presidents and the club LCIF coordinators that they can invite me in their meetings
जी
to know more about the LCIF and the campaign 100, and we can also request our district coordinator PDG Lions Shravanji to join and to take part in their meeting so that members can understand better.
yes
One thing I would like to tell here that we got funds from LCI for our permanent projects. In our district also we have the 3, 4, 5, I think 5 eye hospitals. One is school of my home club, and one blood bank is there of Rotary, Terai, and another blood bank is coming up very soon by Siliguri Magnum. So all are LCI funded projects. So we give funds to LCF, and in response we got back the funds by way of grants from the LCF.
When approached to become a MGF member, many members show reluctance. What advice would you like to give to such members to motivate them to become a MGF member?
Very nice, Govindji. And I would like to add to your question on your behalf that sometimes member asked, member ये पूछते हैं कि हम contribution MGF के रूप में international को क्यों दें? Why not to my club?
Okay.
ये सवाल कई मेंबर्स का रहता है
जी.
तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा सवाल है, और इसके बारे में मैं ये आपके व्यूअर्स को बताना चाहूँगा कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि द डोनेशन इट इज़ अ वॉलंटरी थिंग, इट इज़ अ वॉलंटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वी यूज टू डोनेट in our day-to-day life over a period to many organizations. So being a Lion, I feel that it's my duty and responsibility to some extent to contribute a while, to contribute a little to LCIF and for its capital fundraising event Campaign 100 which is going on. So it's my feeling that every Lion should contribute, because Campaign 100 was launched in the year 2018-19 after a gap of 100 years of LCI. And its intention was that every Lion at least contribute $100 for a period of 3 years. That's why it is called Campaign 100. यहाँ मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि it is a fact that जो contribution डिस्ट्रिक्ट 322F ने अपने जन्म 2000 से LCIF को आज विगत 20 वर्षों में किया है उससे ऑलमोस्ट 5 times of contribution our district 322F has got in the form of grants for our permanent projects, for the emergency activities. So ये बात मेरे ख्याल से काफ़ी लायंस और आपके व्यूअर्स को पता नहीं है. व्यूअर्स को ये या जनरल लायन को ये फीलिंग है कि वी कंट्रीब्यूट फंड टू इंटरनेशनल, और हम लोग अपने लोकेलिटी में फंड को नहीं रख के हम लोग बाहर क्यों भेजें. लेकिन ये बात इट्स ए हार्ड फैक्ट दैट जितना पैसा हम कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं उससे 5 गुना तो मैं कम से कम बोला हूँ कि मोर देन 5 times हमने अभी तक LCIF से ले लिया. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ माई होम क्लब ऑफ आवर परमानेंट प्रोजेक्ट अमरपति लायन सिटीजन्स पब्लिक स्कूल, 5 सालों में हमने 2 बार LCIF से ग्रांट ले चुके हैं. दैट इज समथिंग अराउंड 1.95 लाख $, दैट इज अराउंड 1.5 crore of rupees. एंड वो आज समाज के सामने है. 93 कट्ठास ऑफ लैंड के ऊपर में 60,000 स्क्वायर फीट कंस्ट्रक्शन और 1250 अनप्रिविलेज्ड सेक्शंस के बच्चे वहां पर शिक्षा ग्रहण कर रहे हैं. तो ये हम जो फंडिंग करते हैं MGF में ये लोगों की एक धारणा कि फिर ये एक तरह का फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स ए डोनेशन, सेकेंडली इट इज ए कंट्रीब्यूशन टू योर फाउंडेशन, टू योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड थर्डली यू आर गेटिंग ड्यू रिकॉग्निशन, ड्यू रिकॉग्निशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द MGF plaque, in the form of the pin, in form of the recognition in presence of the in any event, district event, you are being recognized either at the district installation or at the annual district conference or at the big event of our district. And at the same time you are getting the ATG benefits also under the Income Tax Act. So what आप जितना दे रहे हो I believe कि उससे ज्यादा आप
कई ज्यादा मिल रहा है आपको. जी बिल्कुल.
So ये एक धारणा है लोगों में कि नहीं हम लोग जितना दे रहे हैं, मैं व्यूअर्स को बताना चाहूंगा कि जो हम लोग दे रहे हैं उसे कई गुना हम ले रहे हैं LCIF से. सो दे कम रहे हैं, ले ज्यादा रहे हैं.
So friends, with this, we come to an end of another episode of our Lions Talk Show. This was Lion Hemant Kumar Agarwalji with us, who shared his experience into Lionism and also the role of LCIF and the project Campaign 100 with us. Thank you so much, sir,
Thank you very
for
much.
sharing your views. Soon we'll be back with another exciting episode of the Lions Talk Show. Till then, wear mask, maintain social distancing, and stay excited for the Lions Talk Show.